My name is Prayush Chaudhary. I'm the CEO for Foresight Lab, which focuses on looking at long term trends and scans weak signals in the environment. My experience at Zabis has been exceptional. I mean, the students that I find, the liberty that I find here, the freedom that I find here is something that is truly to be valued. And I value that entirely. The freedom with which I can actually teach the students and in which I can help students equip themselves with better life skills. It has been a rewarding journey. And I find the students to be highly creative and imaginative when given the right sort of environment to do so. So essentially, I've been teaching idea development, creative writing, media planning, essentially. Some of these key programs have been enabled students to produce some wonderful projects on developing their own ideas into prototypes, developing their own writing capability into full-fledged stories. And currently, they're going to be developing their stories. They're going to be converting their stories into their movies. So there have been multiple projects that have been ongoing that could actually help them become more creative and imaginative in the process. I love the environment here at Zebist. The freedom at which I can actually move around in Zebist gives me the opportunity to learn more from my students and from the fellow faculty members also. So this environment gives a very conducive opportunity for people like myself to learn better and to teach better at the same time. I find Dr. Wajid to be truly inspirational, and it's because of his personality and his charisma that he's been able to pull together such an amazing faculty that is willing to give their 110%.